Okay, let's insert some manholes into our drainage network. We can move them around, and we can delete some items also. So let's go to Drainage, Structure, Insert. Choose what you want to insert. In this case, a manhole. Let's go down to Options and choose your properties. Circular, existing concrete. We'll stay with that. Let's insert a 3-foot manhole. Angle, we'll keep that at 0 for now, and click Apply. Close, and then click on the target selector button next to the pipe that you want to insert the manhole into, and we'll put it into this pipe right there. Data point to accept, and let's click on our northing and easting radio button, and then let's click the target selector button next to the northing and easting fields, and then this will allow us to identify the point on the pipe where we want to put our manhole in. In this case, let's just stick it in the middle there. That's close enough. And then you can click on the preview button, and it'll give you a preview of it. And if you're happy with your selection, click Apply, and your manhole is inserted. We'll click Close, and let's stick a couple manholes in this pipe right here. Go to Drainage, Structure, Insert, ID. Let's click our target selector button. Let's click our pipe. Data point to accept. And on this one, let's choose the interval, and let's put an interval of 33%. This will insert 2 manholes and effectively divide our pipe into 3 equal segments. So after we put our 33 in there, you can click Preview, and you can see the 2 manholes there. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply, and we'll click Close, and there's our 3 manholes. Okay, let's move them around a little bit. Go to Drainage, Structure, Move. In this case, track surface for elevation. We'll keep that enabled. Of course, make sure you have your surface active. Structure, let's hold the slope, and we'll leave the rest of these unchecked for now. And let's click Apply. Identify the structure you want to move. Let's move this manhole here. Data point to accept, and then you can move it around wherever you want. We'll stick it right there, and click Apply when you're happy with it. And we're still in the Move command, so let's go ahead and move these other manholes. Data point to accept, and let's move this one out here. Click Apply. We're still in the Move command, so let's, there we go. Data point to accept. Let's move this one out here, and that's good. Click Apply. Yeah, we won't move anymore. We'll just click Close. Okay, let's go ahead and delete some various structures. Let's go up to Drainage, Structure, Delete, and now just choose the items you want to delete. Let's delete this pipe. Data point to accept. Click Accept. Click Accept. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's connect these now. Let's throw in some new pipes. Let's go to Drainage, Layout, Pipe. Select your pipe tab. Click the upstream ID. Let's click on Inlet 4. Data point to accept. Downstream, we'll run that to the manhole. Accept. Click Apply, and our new pipe is drawn. Let's click our upstream ID. Let's run a pipe from this manhole downstream. Data point to accept. Click Apply. Click our upstream ID. click inlet 1, data point to accept, downstream, manhole, accept. Oops, that one didn't take. Let's do it again. Oops, let me get out of there. Upstream ID, inlet 1, downstream ID, manhole, data point. There we go. Click apply. And upstream ID is already set to manhole 7, which is here. And let's go ahead and run a pipe down here. We'll daylight it out here. So in this case, let's click the target selector button next to the northing and easting fields. And you see our upstream ID is already on the manhole, and we'll just daylight this somewhere around there. Click apply, and our pipe is drawn. We'll go ahead and close that out. And as with most of the InRoads commands, you have to use the move and delete functions within InRoads. Just inserting and deleting and moving the CAD graphics is not sufficient, because then you don't carry over your surface elevations and your pipe inverts and whatnot. So you do have to use the commands within InRoads.